Good morning, I am Mark Onofreo Home Comfort Systems out of Milford, Connecticut. Today we are proudly presenting Michael Linnen of Sandy Hook with the Bryant True Hero Award. Due to the recent flooding in our area, Michael lost his heating system and we are replacing his system free of charge.
Hi, my name is Kelly Ruggiero and we've been looking to give back to the community for a while now. Bryant has the Bryant True Hero program, which is awesome. We took some nominations in after the Valley flood to see who we can give back to. And Michael's mother, Donna, wrote in about him and he seemed to fit the award perfectly. He is a U.S. Marine Corps member for 8 years. He's done a few deployments. This family has 5 children ranging from age 6 to 15. Michael Linnen and his family were displaced after the Valley flood. Their home was filled with about 4 feet of water and unlivable at the time, so they had to stay elsewhere. And now that everything is getting cleaned up, we are starting the recovery process and installing them new heat.
So on behalf of Bryant, Homans, and Onofreo Home Comfort, we are presenting Michael Linnen with the True Hero Award.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Michael.
Well deserved.
Thank you.
And thank you for your service to our country.
My name is Jeff Capeci. I'm the first selectman of Newtown. Came to Mike's house here in Sandy Hook. He had suffered tremendous damage from the August 18th storm. It took out his heating system, and Onofreo was able to get equipment donated and installed free of charge to Mike and his family so that they can survive the winter. The heating system is up and running in 2 days. This is a great opportunity for a Newtown resident, and it's a good news story for our community, how it pulls together and works hard to help people in their need.